Today's weekly recap is for August 15th through August 19th. That would be from this date here on Monday to through Friday here. We had set up these red trend lines last week, forming a large triangle, and we went ahead and extended the ray out so that when price made its jump last week here, we could use this ray line as a support resistance line as well. And in doing so, you can see that now remember, this is the 6E contract, which is the Euro FX futures contract. This is what we do our analysis on each week. And we are also looking for big picture signals here, a larger time frame. This is a 15-minute chart. Now there are trades that go on all during these more of a micro 1 minute shorter tick frame charts, but we're just concentrating here on the 15th big picture signals. There generally are some very powerful signals here based on this trend line here that we drew the previous week. You can see we had 1, 2, and 3 nice trades off of there. Now I didn't draw any trend lines after that because there were really no trends. It was just a lot of gapping markets with I would say more of a range bound. So we had a lot of reversals here, which are good for the horizontal trend lines, which we set one here based on 1, 2, and 3. Based on these 3 points, we set a trend line, horizontal support line, and we were able to get 2 nice trades off of this. Likewise, we were able to set a here. We were able to set another horizontal support resistance line based on these touches right here, and also based on this touch right here. Now we did have 3 touches here, 1, 2, and 3, so we could have put it right here or even right here. I didn't draw this one till Thursday, so I probably should have drawn this here on Tuesday, but I didn't, so we can't call that. But if you had have done that it was a little aggressive because these were so close together. I like my touches to be a little bit spread out further, but because of this one right here, technically you could have drawn your trend line, your horizontal support line, but I didn't, so we don't count this as a trade here. But if you did, you could obviously see that you would have had a nice trade here. But we did get one here on Friday, so we'll count that one. And then based on here, we also went over that we had this area right here. We had some nice reversal actions here, and then of course right here we drew a horizontal support line, resistance line based on this, and there was a few off the chart. There were some other touches there too. So this is we had one nice trade off of that. So anyway, this was our weekly recap here. What are we looking for? This looks like a very volatile market still. It looks like a range-bound market with a lot of range-bound days. Even with these gapping moments here, you can see basically we've been all range-bound here with intermediate trends. So I think that's going to continue on through the week of next week, and we'll just keep our eye on some nice reversals on some major points here. Okay, thank you.